Hello. In this video, we're going to do a little show and tell. I want to show you a few neat things that I have here. So first, we're going to go ahead and compare these two $1 bills. You're going to notice that one is a silver certificate, which is printed before 1968, and then the next is a regular dollar, which is printed after 1968. And then we're going to look at these two quarters. One which is from before 1964 or 1964, and the other is from after 1964. And I'm going to show you the difference. And this is, some of you may see the value in knowing this. Some people may say it doesn't matter. But this is basically going to show one way that the American people got highly swindled this decade. Okay. So, prior to 1964, you could deposit your silver. That's right, these 1964 and earlier quarters were made of silver. The new ones are not. And you would deposit that silver in the bank, and they would give you this, which was $1. And you'll notice on the bottom it says $1 payable to the bearer on demand. So when you'd give them this dollar, you could get your silver back. But in 1965, the U.S. Mint stopped producing money in silver, and instead they started printing these dimes, quarters, half dollars, and dollars in copper with a nickel plating on the outside. That way it would look similar. And the reality, though, is that the silver was gone. So you see, you had this silver, but then the silver is gone. And what happened is that then the Federal Reserve, which is a privately held bank, they were then printing money that you'll see just says $1. It does not say in silver payable to the bearer on demand. And in 1968, the United States government said you can no longer exchange your dollars to get your silver back out of the bank that you deposited there. They said they're going to keep it for the Federal Reserve Bank. And so now you can trade these paper dollars, which are just made of paper, and they're not redeemable in silver. And you can use these quarters that are not made of silver, but are made to look like silver. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve Bank gets to keep all the actual silver. And the Federal Reserve Bank is actually a privately held company. And you'll notice that if you look up the Federal Reserve Bank in the phone book, that it's located in the business section, not the government section. And you'll also notice that the Federal Reserve Bank pays postage, and government agencies do not pay postage. And that is how a private bank has taken the control of finances in this country and really all the other countries too. Last few that still, have to be taken over, but they've taken over a lot of them lately. Anyway, so that's this fun video. You may want to follow, research the money. You used to have silver and gold, and now you have paper and copper. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.